In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a story on Facebook. So I'm starting by opening Facebook and making sure I'm already logged in. Once I'm in, I want to make sure I'm on the news feed before I do anything else because that's where the story option shows up. So I'm just checking that I'm on the main feed. And once that looks right, I'm ready to move on. Now at the top of the feed, I'm looking for the create story option and I'm clicking that. As soon as I do, Facebook gives me the choice to create either a photo story or a text story. So at this point, I'm just choosing the one I want to use. If I want something more visual, I can go with a photo story. And if I want something simple with words on the screen, I can choose a text story. I'm picking the option I want, and now I'm inside the story editor. From here, I can start adding what I want to the story. If I'm using text, I can type it in and then change the font if I want it to look a little different. I can also customize the colors. So this is the part where I'm adjusting the look until it feels right. I'm just making small changes as I go, checking how it looks on the preview, and getting it the way I want before I share it. Nothing rushed here, just making the story look the way I want it to look. Now if I want to add a little more to it, I can head down to the bottom right and click the smile icon. That's where I can add emojis, so I'm clicking that and dropping in any emoji I want to use. Once that's done, I can also add music to the story if I need it. So if I want some sound included, this is where I do that. I'm just adding it only if I want it, and then checking the story again to make sure everything still looks good together. At this point, before I share it, I'm going to the gear icon so I can set the audience. I'm clicking that, and now I can choose whether I want the story to be seen by public, friends, or custom. I'm selecting the audience I want, and once that looks right, I'm clicking save to apply the changes. That locks in the audience setting, so now the story is set up the way I want, both in design and in privacy. Now I'm doing one last look over everything. The story type is chosen, the text and colors are set, any emojis are added, the music is in if I wanted it, and the audience is already selected. Once I'm satisfied with how it all looks, I'm clicking share to story. And that's it. The story is now posted to Facebook, so that's the full process. You open Facebook, make sure you're logged in, and on the news feed, click create story, choose between a photo or text story, add your text and customize it, add emojis from the smile icon, include music if needed, set the audience from the gear icon, click save, and then click share to story once everything looks right. After you do it once, it becomes really easy to make stories anytime you want.